Okay, so this is the video tutorial for Math Minutes 36 Area and Perimeter 2. So today we are going to look at how to solve this problem and the common mistakes that you did during the Math Minutes, okay? So first of all, I want you to look at the figure carefully. Be a geometry detective, okay? So this figure, what shapes make it up? So you see two shapes, okay? First, you see there is a triangle over here, okay? And right below it, you see there is a square. Now, how do you know it's a square? Because of the strokes. See, the strokes tell you that there are four equal sides, okay? And that is a big clue as well. Because if there are four equal sides, that means each side, okay, if this side is 5 meters, that means this side is also 5 meters. This side is also 5 meters. And this shared side, okay, now why do I call it a shared side? Because it is the side that is both part of the triangle. Okay, let me just highlight it more. Because it's both part of the triangle and part of the square. And since it has one stroke, that means it also has a measurement of meters. Okay, it also has a measurement of 5 meters. So let's put our formula together. Since it's made up of two shapes, the shape of a triangle and the shape of the square, okay, and it's put together. That's why it's called a compound shape, okay? What we need to do now is to add, so area of the compound shape, okay, I'm just going to draw it there, the house, okay, is equal to the area of the triangle plus the area of the square, okay? So, if you know that, the next step will be to write the actual, okay, formula of triangle and square. Okay, do not shortcut. That is where mistakes happen. Okay, so area of the triangle is BH over 2. Okay, why? Okay, I want to make it a little bit narrower. Why is it 2? Okay, BH over 2 plus area of the square is S squared. Okay, because we are multiplying the length times the width, but since they're the same size, okay, the same length, and all of them have the same measure, we just call it side squared, okay? Now, solve by substitution. So, let's look at the triangle first, okay? The triangle, you need base times height over 2. So if you look here, this is the base. What is the measurement of the base? As we said, they are sharing. The base of the triangle is one side of the square. So the base is 5 meters. The height, okay, is from the tip to the base, making a right angle. Okay, so tip to base, right angle. So the height is 3. So this is the base, this is the height. Now, a lot of you said the height was 4 meters. No, that is a side of a triangle. It's not the height, okay? So over 2 plus S squared, S being a side. So 5 meters squared. Okay, 5 meters and square it. Okay, so 5 times 3 is 15 meters squared divided by 2 plus 25 meters squared. Okay, now 15 divided by 2 is 7.5 meters plus 25 meters squared. Sorry, squared and squared equals 32.5 meters squared, which is the area of this shape. Okay, so area of the compound shape is equal to 32.5 meters squared. Okay? Now, let's calculate for the perimeter. Okay. Now, if you look at this shape, okay, I'm going to erase everything so you can see the shape clearly. The perimeter is the outline of the shape. Okay? So if you look at it, the shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Okay? So let me use the pen. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A lot of you gave me 6 sides. Why? Because you included this. Some of you included this. Some of you included this. But you shouldn't, because perimeter is the outline of the shape. Okay? So our formula is perimeter is the sum of all sides. This is a side. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And what are the measurements of those sides? Okay? So it's 5. Okay? Now, since this has 1 stroke each, so all of them are 5 meters. Now look at this one, 2 strokes. This is 2 strokes. So what does that mean? This means this is 4 meters. Okay? So 5 meters plus 5 meters plus 5 meters plus 4 meters plus 4 meters. Which gives you 23 meters. Not squared. Okay? There's nothing squared here. Area is squared. Perimeter is not. Okay? So I hope this short tutorial helps you understand how to solve this problem. Okay. Bye-bye.